Hello, Nadine here, and today I'm making a Halloween card. Pretty simple, just going to be using some dies and make a kind of cool background that I'll show you. So these dies are all from Maker's Movement. This is Halloween, Happy Halloween. So it's this die right here that says Happy Halloween. And then this one is Spooky Buds die set. And it's the ghosts, which I guess was the same picture on the back of that. So it is these ghosts. And then this is an older set called Happy Haunts. I'm going to use this, the city scene right here. And then also these stitched rectangles nested essentials. I used this one right here, which I actually already cut out so you can see on some dark navy paper. It almost looks black here in the lighting, but it is just a dark navy. So the first thing that I am going to do is on this piece that I cut out already, and then I'm going to use this stencil from the Crafters Movement, or the Crafters Workshop. It looks like it's TCW 2308. I don't know the exact name of it, but I'll have a list below in the description box of all of the supplies I used. So first thing is I'm going to lay this on here, and I'm going to use this Harmony by Spectrum Noir Pure White ink and an ink blending brush. And I'm just going to go right up onto the piece of paper, or onto the cardstock in the back, getting it darker right along the edge and lighter as I move up. Like that. And then I'm going to flip it around, so as I go along I'm going to change the pattern so it doesn't repeat itself. So there it is. And then I went ahead and cut out everything else. So I cut out the cityscapes in black cardstock, the title also in black cardstock. Oops. And then with the ghost, I cut them out in some vellum. I used some of my Xyron tape runner and just adhere on this black piece right here. I'm just going to put that onto my card base, and then I'm going to do the same with this piece. So I'm just going to take some Delicata brown shimmer, and I want to just add it to this piece down here. It's not really going to show up that much, but it adds a little bit of a different color to it than what it was originally. Can you see that on there? Okay, so now using my, oops, everything's falling over, my Xyron sticker maker here, I'm going to run all of these pieces through. So, okay, now I am ready to start assembling my card. And this piece, I don't know if I mentioned, but it was the bottom part that came off when I cut this out, because I cut it out on a piece of black cardstock that was the same width as this black one that I have here. So when I cut this out, it had this bottom piece, and I decided to use it. So I'm just going to add this one to the bottom of my card. And this will help guide me of where I want the city scene to go. So now I'm just going to line this right up over the top of that, like that. So I forgot that I wanted this guy to go underneath the city scene, so I I had to lift it up a little bit after I already stuck it down. And then the little one over here on this side. And just a few areas, some of the adhesive got where I did not want it, so I'm just using my Xyron adhesive eraser here to remove those areas. And now for the title. And then there it is, a super quick spooky Halloween card. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so, and I'd love a thumbs up if you like what you saw. See you next time. Bye-bye.